Hey all, Mr. Rogers, welcome to your virtual back to school night. I'll give you a rundown on the Foundations of Journalism course and what you need to do to get in touch with me if you have any more questions about the course or how your student is doing in the class. So first of all, my email is right here, probably the most important thing. Preferred method of communication, feel free to email me if there are any issues or upcoming absences or questions about assignments. I'll be happy to provide resources on whatever we're up to in the class. I've spent the last over 15 years developing this course. Happy we've moved to a year-long course for Foundations Journalism. It's a year-long class where we really look to hopefully develop students into amazing Little Hawk reporters. Students produce the yearbook and also video journalism for the Little Hawk's YouTube channel, which you can view many of their great video works from the past few years. We will be using the Adobe apps in school, and the good news is with their logins, when they log into Google Chrome and their adobe.com account, they can download any of those Adobe apps on a home computer. Sadly, it doesn't work on a Chromebook, but if you do have a regular computer at home, they will have access to those there. The main textbook is The Radical Right by Bobby Hawthorne. And we'll also be looking at readings from a variety of newspapers, magazines, and nonfiction selections. Design and photography are also a huge part of the course. Students will be using those Adobe apps, Photoshop, Lightroom, and others to edit photos, videos, and InDesign to make some pages. We will also do an introduction to content management. Systems like WordPress is what we use to publish on thelittlehawk.com. First try, we're going to blaze through media literacy here, basics of reporting, photography, design, law, and ethics, and do some blogging. Try 2, we're going to go into some more longer form writing and video assignments, profiles, sports, feature writing, and advanced photo and video techniques. Third try is opinion writing, advanced graphic design, advertising, and creating their own publication where they'll be turned over and have a large amount of the time working with actual Little Hawk editors on making some pages and videos and assignments. A phone is a great tool to use in this class. We do use it quite a bit. So sadly to say, parents, I do recommend having a nice cell phone. It is a nice addition to this class, but definitely not required. We can find other options if they don't have an up-to-date cell phone. Grading mastery activities, students will always have the ability to turn in late work and redo assignments for a higher grade. I do only allow one big assignment to turn in the final week of the trimester, but beyond that, they can redo work. Our main lesson plan for the class is seek truth and report it, be thoughtful, open-minded, trustworthy, and kind, and the basic grading scale down there below. So that's a quick rundown on Foundations of Journalism. I look forward to hopefully meeting you later on in the year, or feel free to contact me through email.